Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you again beginner friendly stitch that has only knit and purl stitches. Really easy. You can find very similar stitch already on my blog and YouTube channel. Please check. For this stitch you need to cast on the number of stitches multiple of 8 stitches. Right, 8 and plus 2 selvage stitches here and here. Now I'm going to cast on 18 stitches, 8 plus 8 and plus 2 selvage stitches. And the first row, slip the first stitch and knit all stitches till the end. And purl the last one, the second selvage stitch. We will always purl it. Turn, row number 2, purl all stitches, slip the first stitch and now purl all stitches till the end. And purl the last selvage stitch. Turn, row number 3, slip the first stitch, now knit 1, purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and knit 1. And these 8 stitches we are going to repeat. Knit 1, purl 6, knit 1 and at the end selvage stitch. Turn, slip the first stitch and row number 4 like row number 2 and all even rows we will purl. Purl all stitches across. Turn, row number 5 will be the same as row number 3. So let's knit it together again. Slip the first stitch, knit 1, purl 6, knit 1. Let's repeat again. Knit 1, purl 6, knit 1. At the end, selvage stitch. Row number 6, purl all stitches. Great. Now, row number 7, slip the first stitch and knit all stitches. Purl the last stitch. Row number 8, purl all stitches. There will be in total 16 rounds to repeat. Turn row number 9, slip the first stitch. Now purl 2, knit 4, purl 2, and these 8 stitches we are going to repeat. Purl 2, knit 4, purl 2, and finish with salvage stitch. Turn row number 10, purl all stitches. Turn row number 11 will be the same as row number 9. Slip the first stitch, purl 2, knit 4, purl 2, and again purl 2, knit 4, purl 2, and purl the last salvage stitch. Row number 12, purl all stitches, and now repeat last 2 rows 2 more times. So we've got 2 garter stitch and we will get in total 4. So row number 13 will be the same as row number 9, then you purl all stitches, and row number 15 will be row number 9 and purl all stitches again. Here I am, and that's what I have: 1, 2, 3, 4 garter stitch rows. That's it. Now you start repeating the pattern from the first row, where you knit all stitches, then purl all stitches, and so on, and you will get this beautiful stitch pattern. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. The written instruction you can find on my blog. Please check the link down below. I wish you all a good day and see you soon. Bye.